on top of that, I just want to tell people that I'm the youngest grandma. Our Lord have done it for me. So the baby is a miracle baby. Yes. My second daughter has given birth to a bouncing baby.
Ciao my country people, congratulations to the latest youngie grandma Uche Nancy. I'm so happy for her. Even though I wished it was a baby boy, but all child na child, you understand the vibes. They easy to be a mother. So congratulations to her. Now this beautiful mama born Sonia Uche, where some people they hate to. I don't understand this life, how it take be. How human being go they hate such a sweet soul. I'm so happy for this family. This family is blessed, seriously. The story behind Uche Nancy's success, the struggles, how this woman strived day in and night with no helper. It's only God that intervened for her. Even in these troubles, this woman still raised her 4 children in love and harmony. Like the bond between these 4 daughters of Uche Nancy, nobody can break it. Even when they marry, you can never separate them. That is how this woman raised her 4 kids. And not raise it in such a way that they are very humble, respectful, even as they find scatter. That love, that respect is still in them. More kudos to this woman. They easy to be a single woman raising 4 daughters, and none of them misbehaved while growing up. Like, make I play the video, make una see how she celebrated this good news among her crew members in her production. One thing again I love about this woman is she likes to carry everybody along. Like, she doesn't discriminate, because she knows the struggles of how to survive. She's a survivor. Do you understand? Some women in her caliber will start, don't they do boss lady? But no, not for where Uche Nancy they at all. See, as everybody just they happy, they smile, they go.
It's like a do omugwu. Even I'm just coming back from hospital, I'm so scared. But the baby is too tired. I don't even know how to carry the baby, and I cannot hide or pretend. So I'm just like, I have to even pay somebody to teach me the whole thing. And the one they say that I should buy all those, this one. I'm even confused. But I thank God for my daughters, because they know that this is me. It's not as if I'm pretending. According to Ijoma say, Mommy, you're enough content. All of them said I've been waiting to do this thing, but I said to my God, I will not fail. I was surprising you. That's why I said I must do it. So now the journey of omugwu. So that is the whole thing. It's 1 month. It's 3 months. I'm supposed to be in the US now.
3 months.
But God said the baby, now here they go born am. But good as they born am here, because I for here when they are so good here. So at least I have people that can always say hello. They come with God assist me. So I just said, let me just bring this to something for us to celebrate and for people to be happy for me. Because if they are happy for me, the ones who never born, they go born in Jesus' name. Yeah. Once whenever they plan to marry, the earlier the better. There is no perfect. There is no perfect husband. Everything is if you work. If you don't work, come out. Simple. But you have to make a move. So don't be scared. And don't wait until the money is
pile up.
No wait to nothing I say, because I still there for 2 months. I cannot nothing like that. Start it.
Yes.
Start it. Some say when you start it, you will open a bigger way for you. So that is just this thing. The young ones that are scared, don't be scared. If the men break your heart, to break your own, But
Chai, this advice enter my bone marrow. Seriously, I like this advice. Mama just dey give us advice back to back. She talk say we youngies wey dey grow up, make we no dey scared of marriage. Says marriage na beautiful thing, don't get it twisted. That it doesn't work for Mr. A no necessarily mean say e no go work for you. Say marriage na beautiful thing. She come still use her daughter as a point of contact to people wey still dey in need of child or children, that people looking for the fruit of the womb. Come dey tell them say make them chillax, make them relax, say everything go dey alright last. Say Baba God go answer their prayers very soon. My country people, what is there not to love about Uche Nancy and her family? And somebody out there is hating on her first child, Sonia Uche. Some people get mind, sha. My people, make una type in congratulations to the latest grandma. No dey easy. Type in congratulations to Uche Nancy and tap from these beautiful blessings from God. Okay, my people, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.